How to draw Mike Wazowski, step by step. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Let's go ahead and begin our drawing. For the first step, we're going to draw a circle towards the top center of the page. This circle will be the outline of Mike's eye. Once we are all done drawing that outline of the eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle that will be attached to the one that we just made. This will be the pupil. Inside of the smaller circle, don't forget that we're going to want to fill it in completely black, just leaving a small white dot in the center. Nicely done! Now let's go ahead and draw a curved line around the outside of the pupil that we just drew. Well done! Now we have the eye drawn. For the next step, we're going to want to begin drawing the outline of the body. Let's begin by drawing a simple curved line right above the eye that we previously made together. For Mike's body, he will have two horns and a circular shape. Let's go ahead and draw the first horn on the left-hand side. This will connect to the curved line that we just made. Also, if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking to draw with us in the future, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button right below. Next, attached to the horn that we just drew, we're going to begin drawing the left side of the body by drawing a couple simple curved lines. Awesome! Now let's go ahead right below the end point of the line that we just drew and connect all the way over to the right hand side with a much larger curved line. Now, on the right-hand side, right above the eye, let's go ahead and draw the second horn. Keep in mind this should be similar in size to the first. All done drawing the horn? If so, let's continue. If not, pause to catch up as you need to. For the next step, we're going to go directly below the eye, and we're going to begin to draw the mouth. Let's go ahead and begin by drawing a simple curved line, along with two lines attached to it. Now we can draw the teeth. Let's begin by drawing on the top line. The points will not be sharp. All done? If so, let's continue. Let's go ahead and draw the teeth on the bottom of the mouth. Behind the teeth on the bottom, we will now draw two curved lines to make the tongue. Wow, this looks so good. Let's go ahead and draw the arms next. I'm going to begin by drawing the right arm. It's going to appear as if it is sitting on Mike's hip. Now, let's go ahead and draw the left arm on the left-hand side. Fantastic! We're almost done. All we have left to do now is to draw the legs and feet. Let's go ahead and begin by drawing the left leg. Attached to this line, we're going to go ahead and draw the first toe, then we will draw the rest of the outline of the foot and leg. Now that we are all done drawing the rest of the outline, let's go ahead and draw the 2 additional toes. Well done! Now let's go ahead and draw the second leg and foot on the right hand side. Keep in mind, this should be similar in length and size as the one that we just drew together. This is How to Draw Mike Wazowski. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I enjoyed drawing with you today. If you want to pause and color in your drawing so that it matches my colors, then be sure to pause your video in just a few moments once I show the completed, finished colored in drawing. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.